In this video, we're going to reveal a little secret that has allowed ordinary people to earn over $500 per month creating AI-generated ebooks without relying on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. We will discuss various platforms that are not frequently mentioned which can help you get started today even if you have no prior experience. It's common knowledge that people who use ChatGPT to produce AI books and sell them on Amazon through KDP have achieved financial success. But what if I informed you that it is possible to earn a sizable income doing the same thing but without utilizing Amazon KDP? Because yes, it is achievable, and I want to walk you through precisely how to accomplish it right now. So stay tuned because this video is jam-packed with valuable information that can change the way you approach making money with AI books. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll share with you a few additional bonus tips that will help you increase your earnings potential even further. Now imagine waking up, checking your phone and seeing payments rolling in while you slept. Not from Amazon, not from some complicated publishing deal, but from ebooks you created. With AI and sold on platforms people rarely talk about, let's be real, Amazon KDP can feel like a fortress. From strict formatting rules, copyright nightmares, account bans, and overwhelming competition, beginners often quit before they publish their first book. What if I told you there are equally profitable marketplaces where your ebooks can thrive and where the rules are friendlier to beginners? Here's the secret. People are making real money selling ebooks outside of Amazon every single day. Let me break down the top platforms that actually work. Gumroad. Perfect for selling ebooks directly to your audience. No gatekeepers. You upload, set your price and start earning. I've seen beginners make their first $100 on Gumroad in less than a week. Payhip. This is Gumroad's twin, but with built-in marketing tools. You can sell ebooks, offer discount codes, and even set up affiliate programs so others promote your book for you. Etsy Digital Downloads. Think Etsy is just for handmade crafts? Nope. Thousands of people buy ebooks and guides there every single day. Parenting guides, recipe books, self-care journals, all selling like hotcakes. Your own website with Stripe or PayPal. Here's the power move. With tools like Canva plus WordPress or even a free landing page builder, you can set up your own ebook store. 100% of the profits go straight to you. Let me introduce you to some folks who have already made it happen. First, there's Sarah, a freelance writer who stumbled upon this opportunity. Initially, she faced challenges with Amazon KDP, but after exploring alternative platforms, she found her niche on Gumroad. Now she creates and sells guides on productivity and time management, earning over $300 monthly with minimal effort. Then we have David, a software developer who turned his expertise into profitable ebooks. He leveraged Etsy's digital downloads to reach a wider audience. His coding guides and tutorials have generated over $800 in revenue in just 2 months. Meet Maria, a passionate baker who shares her love for cooking through AI-generated recipe books. She took the DIY approach, setting up her own website with a Stripe account. Now she earns over $1,500 monthly from ebook sales, and cooking enthusiasts can't get enough. And let's not forget John, a history enthusiast who found success selling educational ebooks on Payhip. He's earned over $500 in his first month and plans to expand his offerings based on audience feedback. These stories are not just inspiring, they're proof that this opportunity is open to everyone willing to explore beyond Amazon KDP. Okay, now I'm gonna dive into these platforms and show you how they work. So grab a notebook, get ready to take notes. Platform 1, Gumroad. It's simple, easy to use, and perfect for beginners, with no monthly fees. You only pay a small transaction fee when you make a sale. Plus, you can accept PayPal or credit card payments. There's no coding required. Just drag and drop your ebook and cover, set your price or leave it at $0 so customers can pay what they want. Then hit publish. You can track your earnings in the revenue tab and withdraw your funds via PayPal or bank transfer. To get started, visit Gumroad.com. Platform 2, Payhip. Similar to Gumroad, Payhip lets you sell digital products like ebooks, courses, and more. They offer a range of pricing plans, including a free basic plan. With PayHip, you can create and sell unlimited products, access powerful marketing tools, and enjoy a seamless checkout process for your customers. They also offer advanced features like coupon codes, gift cards, and affiliate management. If you want to take your ebook business to the next level, consider upgrading to one of PayHip's paid plans. Platform 3, Etsy Digital Downloads. Etsy isn't just for handmade goods. In fact, millions of digital products are sold on Etsy every year, including over 46 million ebooks in 2022 alone. That's why it's worth giving a shot. Plus, Etsy provides a built-in customer base of over 171 million active buyers, making it easier for your ebook to reach new readers. Platform for your own website. With Stripe or PayPal, taking the DIY route lets you keep 100% of your profits and build a personal brand. You don't need fancy tools. A free landing page builder can do the trick. If you're tech savvy, you can use website builders like WordPress or Wix. Once your site is ready, integrate Stripe or PayPal for secure payments. Setting up your own store might take some time and effort, but the long-term benefits are worth it. Next, let me share with you a little secret that will skyrocket your ebook sales. Ready for it? Offer a range of payment options. Customers love the convenience of paying with their preferred method. That's where the magic happens. For instance, let's say you decide to use both Gumroad and PayPal. When a customer visits your Gumroad store, they see this option. But guess what? Some customers might not have a PayPal account or prefer to use a credit card. That's where you step in with a simple solution. Offer an alternative payment method like credit card payments through Stripe. Imagine having the flexibility to cater to all types of customers. By offering multiple payment options, you'll open doors to a wider audience and boost your ebook sales to new heights. I know you're eager to dive right in, but hold on. I have a treat for you. Check out this video here for more insights on making a whopping $1,000 per month with AI books. Trust me, it's packed with valuable tips and strategies. Don't miss out. Alright, I'm here to guide you through the entire process of crafting a best-selling ebook from idea to publication. It's designed for complete beginners with no experience needed. Plus, I'll teach you how to market your ebook effectively so you can reach more readers and boost your sales. Now here's a little secret. My students have already achieved incredible results with this method. Take a look at these success stories and get inspired. And here's the best part. As a valued viewer, you can get this course with a special discount. Click the link below to claim your spot. But wait, there's more. If you're still watching, it's a sign you're ready for this game-changing opportunity. So go ahead, click the link and invest in yourself. Don't miss out on this chance to unlock your earning potential. See you on the inside.